Hi, I'm Guitar Hero times 9.
And I'm Guitar Hero times 9's friend.
We're going to show you some paper airplanes that we made.
These are some of the airplanes we made. Alright, so we're going to make this one. What you're going to need is a rectangular piece of paper. Just the regular. Now, what you're going to want to do is fold it in half. And then unfold it. Now, you're going to want to fold this down, like so. And do the same with the other side. Now, here comes one of the parts. That's weird. You fold it down like this, so there's a little bit of straightness right here, and there's a little bit of room right here. Now, from here, you want to fold down again. Doesn't exactly have to be exact though. Now, from here, what you want to do is take this and fold it upwards, all the way. Then, you're not going to fold it like this. You're going to fold it like this. So you have this little tiny corner right here. Here comes the last part. You fold it down so it matches the line. Crease right there, turn it over, and crease it right there. Make sure it's a good solid crease. Open it up and hold on to it right here. And you have a paper airplane. Alright, so now you're probably going to want me to demonstrate this, so I will. Follow me. Stay right there. Sometimes it doesn't work, and this is a good plane to fly with, but usually the first time you throw it, it's probably the best. And sometimes it works after, and if you add a few staples, it'll stay working. Now, you take it and throw. That was really bad. One more try. Right into the TV.
It was better.
Oh well. Well, you need some more practice, and well, at least I need more practice. And if you need it, and if you have a wide area like a backyard or something, that's a perfect place to do it.
This is the plane that I made called the Mach plane. It's a little skinny, so it could go a little faster. I'm going to show you how to make it. First you take a paper like this, you fold it in half like this. You open it back up, you fold the corners in like this. Okay, you fold them in again. And you fold them in one more time. Squeak. The tip gets a little annoying when it gets all bumped up like that. Okay, so you have this, and now you have to fold it in like this to make the wings. And you have another mock plane. I want a demonstration of my mock plane. It goes a lot faster than the stunt plane that my friend made. And now it can go a little higher, so I'm going to show you another test. So yeah, I think it was really cool the way I built it aerodynamically.